How to create and print labels using Google Sheets. Here are the steps on how to create and print labels using Google Sheets at https://www.google.com/sheet/about. Open Google Sheets and create. A new spreadsheet. In the first row, enter the column headers for your labels. These headers will be used to identify the information that will be printed on each label. In the rows below the column headers, enter the information that you want to print on your labels. Once you have entered all of the information, select the cells that contain the information that you want to print. Click on the File menu and select Print. In the Print dialog box, select the Labels option from the Print Range drop-down list. Select the label type that you want to use from the Label Type drop-down list. If you want to print multiple labels on a single sheet of paper, select the Pages per Sheet option and enter the number of labels that you want to print per sheet. Click on the Print button to print your labels. Here are some additional tips for creating and printing labels using Google Sheets. If you are using a table in your spreadsheet, you can select the entire table to print the labels. You can also use merge fields in your labels to insert dynamic data, such as the recipient's name or address. If you are printing a large number of labels, you may want to consider using a label printer. Label printers are designed specifically for printing labels and can save you time and money. Moreover, you use any one of these add-ons, Avery Label Merge, Foxy Labels,